Welcome to our video on how to start share marketing. In this guide, we will provide you with a step-by-step of the basics of share marketing, different types of share marketing, and valuable tips to help you embark on your share marketing journey. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your knowledge, this video will empower you to dive into the world of share marketing with confidence. 5 keywords. Share marketing. Beginner's guide. Types of share marketing. Tips and techniques. Starting share marketing. Welcome to our channel. Are you curious about share marketing? Are you looking for a comprehensive guide to understand the different types and steps involved in starting share marketing? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Cut to visually appealing intro animation. H2, Understanding share marketing. H3, What is share marketing? Share marketing, also known as stock marketing or equity marketing, is the process of buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. It involves individuals or entities participating in the financial markets to invest in or trade shares of companies with the goal of generating profits. Visuals, stock market charts, people trading stocks. H3, Benefits of share marketing. Voiceover, share marketing offers numerous benefits, including potential returns on investments, diversification of portfolios. It can serve as an additional income stream and help in fulfilling long-term financial goals. Visuals, happy investors, visual representation of growth. H3, risks associated with share marketing. Voiceover, while share marketing can be rewarding, it's not without its risks. Market volatility, economic factors, and unforeseen events can impact stock prices and lead to losses. It is essential to have a good understanding of the market and develop a well-thought-out investment strategy. Visuals, stock market fluctuations, worried investors. H2, Types of share marketing. H3, Long-term investing. Long-term investing involves purchasing shares of companies based on their potential for sustainable growth over an extended period. This strategy often focuses on blue-chip stocks, which are shares of well-established companies with a history of stable performance. Visuals, hands exchanging money for shares, growth chart. H3, Day trading. Voiceover, day trading involves buying and selling stocks within a single trading day to take advantage of price fluctuations. Day traders closely monitor stock prices and use technical analysis to identify short-term opportunities for profits. Visuals, fast-paced trading, stock market charts. H3, Dividend investing. Voiceover, dividend investing involves investing in companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. This type of share marketing focuses on generating regular income through dividend payments. Visuals, money flowing into a piggy bank, dividend checks. H3, Value investing. Voiceover, value investing involves identifying undervalued stocks, often by analyzing a company's fundamentals and comparing it to its market value. Value investors aim to buy stocks at a cheaper price than their perceived intrinsic value. Visuals, calculator, magnifying glass. H3, options trading. Voiceover, options trading involves buying or selling contracts that give investors the right to buy, call option, or sell, put option, shares of a particular. Visuals, options contracts, trading platform. H2, getting started with share marketing. H3, learning the basics. Voiceover, before diving into share marketing, it's crucial to gain a solid understanding of the fundamentals. Learn about stock exchanges, market indices, how to read stock charts, and key financial ratios. Educate yourself through books, online courses, or by seeking guidance from experienced investors. Visuals, books, online courses, stock charts. H3, setting financial goals. Voiceover, define your financial goals and investment objectives. Determine if you are looking for long-term wealth accumulation, regular income, or short-term gains. Identifying your goals will help you choose the most suitable share marketing strategy. Visuals, person writing goals, checklist. H3, creating a diversified portfolio. Voiceover, building a diversified portfolio is crucial to manage risk and generate stable returns. Spread your investments across different sectors or industries, and consider including stocks with varying market capitalizations. Visuals, stock portfolio, diverse sectors. H3, developing an investment strategy. Voiceover, create an investment strategy based on your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial goals. Determine how much money you can afford to invest, set realistic expectations, and decide whether you will actively manage your portfolio or seek professional advice. Visuals, business strategy, asset allocation. H3, start investing with caution. Voiceover, begin your share marketing journey by starting with a small amount of money that you can afford to lose. Avoid investing all your savings at once and consider utilizing a practice account or demo trading platform to gain experience before committing real funds. Visuals, person starting with small investment, cautious steps. Outro. Cut to visually appealing outro animation. Host, we hope this comprehensive guide on how to start share marketing has provided you with valuable insights and inspired you to take your first steps in the exciting world of share marketing. Remember to continually educate yourself, stay informed about market trends, and be patient as you embark on this financial journey. Background music fades out. Host, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Happy investing!
Thank you for watching, guys. Now, all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss an update.